Hello students, in this video we will discuss about skeletal system. Students, you might be wondering what is this? Are you afraid of it? No, don't be afraid of it. It is a model of human bones and it is called a skeleton. See students, here it is a teddy bear. It is having shape. You can easily recognize that it is a soft toy. But what will happen if I take out the supporting material from it? Let's see. I'm taking out the material from it. Now it is losing its shape. It is becoming like a bag. See, now it is not able to stand. It has fallen down. Students, if humans did not have bones, what will happen? Yes, human body will be floppy like a puppet. We will not be able to walk or even stand up on our own. So bones are very necessary for us. See the different types of bones here. Some are tall, some are short, some are round, some are elongated. So such a wide variety of bones are present in our body. All these bones join together to form a skeleton, and this organ system is known as skeletal system. Now let us understand the functions of the skeletal system. The skeletal system forms a framework of our body. It gives shape and support to the body. There are about 22 internal organs in our body like brain, lung, intestine, heart, kidneys. They are very delicate organs. If they are hurt, there is risk of life. Hence, the skeleton reduces the risk of injury to the internal organs like the skull. The skull protects the brain and the ribs protects the heart and the lungs. There are some body parts in our body which can move. See see in this picture, students, a boy is running, skipping, lifting and doing many actions, and it is only due to the movement of the body parts. So can you name that body part which allows movement in our body? Yes, these are joints. It is only due to the joints that bones can move. Now, the joint is the place where two bones meet. So bones can only move where there is a joint. See, there are many joints in our body, only due to which the body movements is possible. Now let us study the different joints in the body. Skull. Skull is the fixed joint. Except skull, all the joints in the body can move. Neck joint. It joins the head with the trunk of the body. Shoulder joint. It joins upper arm to the trunk. Elbow joint. It joins upper arm to the forearm. Wrist joint. It joins forearm with the hand. Ribs. These are set of 12 bones which protect internal organs like lungs and heart. They form a cage-like structure. Vertebral column or the backbone. It protects the spinal cord. Knee joint. Knee joint joins the thigh with the leg. Ankle joint. It joins leg with the foot. So there are different joints in the body which helps our body to move.